Hey pickles and cucumbers, today I'm going to be showing you how to train your dog to sit pretty or stick 'em up. I just personally say up, stay up, say up. And so I'm here with my tired dog Toffee. Toffee! Such a good girl. Close up. So I'm sorry I've been being really weird on my other videos. Hopefully you've seen them. But I mean, most of them are on my dad's account, which is Jeff Clapwood. If you look up that, you might see some other videos. Yeah, and so seriously, I am not kidding. Comments, subscribes, whatever, would really help if we do. Also, if you comment down below and start watching my videos, I might say a theme and you might get a shout out, but first of all I need comments. Sorry, but yeah, so hopefully we get started. Okay. Well, we are getting started, so. I have this block of cheese. I'm not gonna give it to her the whole thing, but Taffy, cheese, 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 cheese. Okay. And this is like, okay, so you always want to tear a little piece off. So this is always going to, like, let's just say, like, okay, sorry. I have this piece of cheese in my hand. No, you just want to let her know, or him, that you have it. Come on, okay. And then, so we're gonna start up, but see, she is not in a sitting position. That's what we want. So sit. Good girl. Okay, so you might want to stick the treat up. You have sort of a, no. You see, she knows the trick, so she may make it look easy, but it's a little bit of practice. But if you have a hyper dog, they're just gonna grab it, and so yeah. So for starting off, she's in a sitting position. You just wanna get the treat above her. Maybe have a hand motion. Toffee. Up. See? There's that, and you want to do that a couple times until she really knows it. She's still having troubles. And, oh wait, sorry, I totally did that wrong. Don't do that. You never want to say the word. You never want to say the word first. Like, then there's like, do I do this or do the thing you're telling me that? Too. So you always going to never say something, at least have a hand signal. So, Taffy, got that. Come here. Up, 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 up. Hold on. Sit. Okay. Now you always want to have a hand motion like we just did. I have the tree above your head. She didn't really catch it there. Okay. So after you practice it a couple times, you don't even have to have a treat. But you always want to reward, because after you keep doing that, the dog's thinking, if I do it right, I get an award. Like maybe if you're not doing the treat, you can do like a stomach rub, something that your dog likes besides food. So, Puffy. We're practice this a few times. And this may take a little bit of time. Because she just makes it look easy, and I'm sorry for that. let me tell you something. You're on YouTube. So, go to that. So, we also might do rollover. But not rollover, bang. She's learning that, but she's not really good with it, so. Good girl. Good. Okay. So now I'm going to, I'm not going to do it yet. I'm going to have nothing in my hands. I'm going to have nothing in my hands. And I'm going to give her a treat after. Up. Good girl. And when you get the hang of it, you can add in a word. Like, she knows up, but I don't want to confuse her, but let's see if this works if you say something else. Sit. No. Sit pretty. Oh, it actually does work. They'll just follow the hand motion. So that's good. I have like a pearly forehead. I miss my bangs. So one more time, and we'll move on to rollover. Toffee. Up. Good girl. Okay. Ooh. And don't give him a treat too many times because your dog might get constipated, and that is not a good thing, especially with big dogs. So we might move on to rollover. Well, we are. I'm sorry. I just want to be one of those professionals. It's been my dream to be internet sensation. In 5, 4, 3, 2. I look pretty. I picked the one. Okay. So, she's already in a sitting position. So we want to get her up. Okay. So, but not laying position, but now she's sitting. So we want her to get down. How do you do that is just place it down, sort of cover it a little bit, and they eventually lay down. So good girl, Toffee, that's down. Give him a treat. Stay. Ooh! I don't know why I did the gun thing. Okay. So what you want to do is, first of all, always keep it by their nose. So, like, watch what happens here. She just loses track. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep it by their nose. They can lick it. Here, let's go this way. And then eventually, if you bring it to her shoulder, she's going to be on the side, but she's already on the side, so. Taffy. Would you prefer going this way? That's bang! Good girl. Good girl. Taffy, the cheese is on your lip. Got it? No? It's on the floor. There. Oh, if you like Minecraft, go check out. I. Slinky! So, if you like Minecraft, I think you should go check out Stampy Longnose. And Sashimi. Yeah, Toffee, have the spotlight. Did you see that? She totally looked up. You want to hop him? No, that's not going to work. So, I'm starting. So, just like, okay, let me just get through the interview first. So, oh, she's so cute. She's so she can be a bit stubborn sometimes. Okay, so now we're gonna try this a little more. Coffee. Bang! Good girl. Okay, so if you want to try it, bang, bang. Good girl. Oh yay, Duffy! We gotta give you a treat. Okay, that's too much. Good girl. Actually, take it. Don't put it on the side of your mouth. So that's basically it. So like I was saying earlier, if I just have a floating head. So if we get comments and likes, and I really want to get some people to subscribe, I might start a Minecraft series, and my dad, we might have to work this through the summer because we're almost out of school. Like, let me think. Including today, well, it's probably tomorrow for you, but including today, yeah, it's, I need to brand people. Do you know what on eBay or something? I do this every time. Oh yeah, we're gonna probably have to get like a thingy-mabob. We don't know what yet, but we might actually make a world to go on. We may have Spleef, Snake, maybe survival games, and I might make up one called Kill the Zombie. It's like if I'm be able to do this, it's gonna be like some sort of like house thing, and then every room there might be a clue. I'm just sort of planning right now, but there might be a room, and then but every room you go to, you have to kill a zombie, and sometimes there might be another mob in there. I'm not gonna make it too hard, but I'm gonna have to make a lot of zombies because kill the zombie, and I might do like my own thing, unless other people have it, called Capture the Wool. But you don't really capture any wool. You just have teams against each other. And like you have to kill the other teammate. Let's say it's like orange against purple. Hey, but anyway, you would basically, you know, kill them. They always will regenerate though. So actually, maybe I will do that a little different, but yeah. And I'm gonna do good tools, not like this stone tools, but okay, so we have to probably end the video.